Hey you guys, it is Adrian and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, we are doing a get ready with me and today is Teachers Day also. We have Novena today, that is we have to offer flowers to Mama Mary, and after that we are conducting a program for the teachers. So, I want to dress something Indian but not Indian, like Indo-Western. I don't want to be like too Indian, and those kind of videos are a little trending right now, so I thought, you know what, let me get ready with you guys. So in this video we are going to be getting ready, and yeah, that's it, we're going to get ready. So already done with my bath, and I'm going to moisturize my face and then wear the outfit, and then we can go on to the makeup. Okay, so keeping it Indian, for the outfit I have this option which is like a kurta top, but it is sleeveless and it is also like ruffled. So I thought this would be a perfect match for like a Indo-Western look. So for the top I'm going to be wearing this. So let me just go quickly change into this and get back. So this is what my top looks like. I did iron it, but it's still crumpled. I don't know, but with this I am going to be pairing a black palazzo to give it that Indian look, and it has like black flowers here, blue, yellow and black flowers. So I thought it would look great. So we're gonna wear this. So this is what my outfit looks like. Flared up pants. I can't really show the whole outfit, but it is flared up pants and this top. And I think it looks pretty much like Indian. It's time to accessorize. Now I am not going to, wear a lot of jewelry because I don't have. So I'm just going to keep it minimal, but Indian, and like not Indian, like traditional Western, whatever it is. Also, there is a little wardrobe malfunction that I have to pin here. Other than that, I think this outfit is a slay. It is Indo-Western, pretty much Indo-Western. So time to accessorize. Now for the earrings, I have two options. One is this black stud, like only the stud, or this silver jewelry, which does not even match, but just to look a little different. But I cannot carry the heaviness of these jewelries. Wait, I think I'll go with the black. I have to reach there in some time, and I'm here doing get ready with me. Yeah, I think the black would look nice. I'm going to go with the black one. Nice, nice. Okay, it's time for the makeup, and I'm going to go with my tinted sunscreen because it is like there is a function after the mask, so I want to look good. I did moisturize my face earlier, and makeup I'm doing a very minimal makeup because it's not a big thing, like just very simple makeup. In my house there's no shanti, like every time somebody or the other has to talk when I'm doing a video. I'm going to put a little on my eyelids too. I never put cheek tint on my eyelids. Mascara because I don't want my eyes to look small. For the lipstick, I'm gonna go with a simple brown lipstick and just going to apply that. I'm gonna go with this lip tint or no, okay, I'm going to go with this lipstick. Now the problem is everything is set, right? My hair, I don't know what to do with my hair. Like my hair is such a mess at this point in my life that I have no clue what to do. But like, should I do like a bindi? I don't know. Wait, let me just try. It's so tiny, but anyways, we need to set our makeup. So this is my makeup, very simple, very minimal, and now it's time for the most hated part, the hair. Because what do I do? Kalista! Because what do I do with my hair? Like I can't leave it like this because it's not right. I think I'm gonna go with a bun or like a pony. I have no clue. I think this is pretty basic and looks pretty nice. Like no putting much efforts. I think I'm just gonna go with a pony. I think that is the only option I have. Like I have no option. I didn't. Why are you even thinking about like no other option? The pony it is, and I'm gonna put my Victoria's Secret, not really, Bath and Body Works perfume that I robbed from my mom, and she has no idea about. She's been searching for this everywhere, but it's with me, and only Kalishta knows it, and she won't open her mouth. I know that. So yeah, this is my outfit. This is pretty much what I'm wearing to the Teachers' Day celebration. The Teachers' Day celebration, I'm going to take shots and put it on my YouTube. But yeah, I am ready to go. I have to also carry flowers. This is what I'm wearing to the church and for the Teachers' Day celebration, and I really like this outfit. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm all set to go to the mass. For the slippers, I wore the ones that I got from Bangalore. And this is my flower basket. I've decorated it nicely. And I'm off to church. Bye. College. We are ready.